Hi everyone, in this video let us learn the answer key for SSLC March April 2024, starting with first question MCQ. The product of HCF and LCM of two numbers 15 and 20. Options are given. Let's see how to solve this. The given numbers are 15, whose prime factor is 3 5s are, and 20, whose prime factors are 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. Now the number of HCF is among the given factors, which is a common. 5 is common, so 5 power 1, that's a HCF. LCM, among the given factors, take all the factors with highest power. 3 to the power 1, 2 square, so highest is 2 power 2, 5 power 1. So LCM is 4 5s are 20, 20 into 360, and HCF is 5. According to the question, we need to find its product. So let's take the product of 5 into 60. The product of 5 into 60 is 300. That corresponds to option C. The second question of MCQ is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, the quadratic polynomial is clearly given in the question, then what is alpha beta? So we know the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. And we have studied sum of root, which is alpha plus beta, product of the root is alpha beta. So sum represents minus b by a, product represents c by a. According to the question, we need to find product alpha into beta, which is nothing but c by e. See the option A, no, B, no, C has minus c by e, no. So option B is correct. Let's come to question number 3. Given sin theta is 4 by 5, then we need to find the value of root 1 minus cos square theta. Options are given. Whenever a trigonometry function is given, try to find all the three sides. As per sin theta, it is opposite by hypotenuse. So let's construct a right angle triangle. Instead of opposite, the value is 4, hypotenuse value is 5. I have substituted here based on the theta representation. We need to find the adjacent side because cos, we know that it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So applying the Pythagoras theorem, we have found the value of the adjacent side is 3. So cos theta becomes 3 by 5. Substituting here, under root of 1 minus, it is cos square, so it is 3 square 9 by 5 square 25. Take LCM. It's under root of 25 minus 9 by 25. So on removing, solving, it is under root of 16 by 25. 16 square root is 4 and 25 is 5. This corresponds to option B. Proceeding to the fourth question of MCQ. The probability of a sure event. There is two categories, sure event and not an event. Sure event means the event will happen. Not a sure event means event will not happen. And we know probability lies between 0 and 1. 0 represents not an event and 1 represents a sure event. So according to this question, option A is sure event. Coming to fifth question. The secant of the circle in the figure is, first of all we should know what is secant. Secant are nothing but a line segment touches the circle at 2 points. So let's start from the first line. Here you can see it's a line segment, but it's touching the circle exactly at 1 point. So not this option. Like C and P, they are line segment and they are touches the circle exactly on inside, and it is not an extending curve. So it can be called as chord, not as a secant. Proceeding to O and E, O is the center of the circle and it is touching the circumference of the circle. That can be called as a radius. So only one point is left out is M and N. You can see it's a line segment which touches the circle at 2 points. So option is M, N. Proceeding to the sixth question, the volume of the frustum of a cone with the radius R1 and R2 and with height. So here we need to just define the formula. Whenever it is volume of frustum, always remember volume starts with 1 by 3. So all option has 1 by 3. Pi all option has it. Remember, it is a representation of a square plus b square plus ab. So r1 square, r2 square minus it is. So we will not consider. r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. So it's option C. So let's come to the 7th question in MCQ. If 2, x, 26 are in AP, that's arithmetic progression, then the value of x, we need to find the value of x. Options are given. So let us take the given AP, 2x, 26 and goes on. Denote this as A1, A2, A3. Let's take its common difference. D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, which is x minus 2. And second difference D2 is A3 minus A2, which is 26 minus x. We know if it is an AP, the common difference will be same, constant. So I can equate them. A1 is equal to A2. X minus 2 is equal to 26 minus x. Shift the variable and constant. So x plus 2 is equal to 26 plus 2. 2x is equal to 28. So x is 28 by 2, which is 14. Please check the option. Option B is the correct choice. Coming to the last question of MCQ, that's question number 8. If tan 90 minus theta is root 3, then they are asking us to find the cot value. There is nothing to simplify here, as we have studied the complementary angle. Tan of 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So now, according to given, tan 90 minus theta is root 3. That will be equal to cot theta. So go back to the option and check option D.